Get him? Okay.
Jump up on the thing. Can you come up here? Come up on here. Ah! Ah!
Put her in the water. Put her down there.
Ow! 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 Get him off! Get him off!
Could you please put him in the water?
Get him off! He keeps on biting my thumb.
It's a she.
Get him off!
But could you please let her take a bath?
Ow! Mom, that's not funny! He keeps on hurting me!
Hannah, could you take over, please? Your brother's a sissy.
Are you kidding me?
She's not gonna
That
bite.
hurts!
She doesn't bite. Okay, let her go take a bath. No, Hannah, not like that. Put her on your hands. Put your hands in the water, Hannah. No, Hannah, get up. Scott, take over.
I can't.
Film. Film. Come here, Pip. Let's show him how it's done. Hannah, come here, son. Step up. There you go, pretty girl. Good girl. They're not going to give you a bath, do they? You just want to take a shower. Alright. You're going to undo the plug in there, please. No, undo the plug. In the bottom. It's okay. Step up. I have to go to the bathroom. That's good, Kate. Alright, back to bath time. Step up. Oh, it's okay. Are you done? He's done. And that's Penny at bath time! Thanks for watching on YouTube. Did you stop it?
We're not putting that on.